Hello, CIS 119 students. My name is Michael, and I'm a learning specialist here at Lehigh Carbon Community College. As learning specialists, we are key parts of your support network here, and we are located in the Educational Support Services area of the college. Our learning specialists can help you with a large variety of areas, and we can help you improve your success here at LCCC and beyond. For instance, I very often help CIS 119 students with time management concerns. Time management is key to meeting your deadlines in your courses and in your future career endeavors. However, I also help students memorize a lot of important terminology. As students in your field, you'll be exposed to many important terms that you must fully understand and record in your memory. Test-taking skills are also very important for all majors. You are going to have some very important tests coming up in your future, and we can help you better prepare for those tests. So here's our contact information. Reach out to us if there's anything we can do to help you be more successful here at LCCC. Hope to see you soon.